We're saying goodbye to Miracle here. Okay. On vacation, we'll be back. And there's Gary on his way out.
Leaving. Bye.
He's leaving, bye.
How do you doing?
And-
Yeah, but I gotta go backwards. I can't go forward.
This is the last day you gotta
Okay, race.
Which lane do you want?
I want this lane. I don't have to
Hey, where we got Greg? Got a couple miles up.
Couple miles? I'm gonna lose control. I'm gonna wind up whacking something.
And you're going backwards.
Okay,
Okay, here we go.
the flag.
Alright, ready, y'all? Oh, wait, I have to just scan. Oh, pull down the balloon, ready? Ready?
Clears balloon.
Okay, go.
Losing it.
It's the last day.
Oh, okay.
It's his last day.
You did pretty good.
Who won?
He did.
I take it he won, right?
He won by about 2 chairs.
Okay.
Well, that was fun. Nothing else.
Yeah.
This is really neat. I can't believe how this thing works, man.
Oh, yeah. The ones in Optimal don't work so well. I've rolled all around this place. The ship